Maybe you want banga, baba. Let me see one, let me see one. I get to walk, baba. Let me see one, let me see one. Go by say, baba. How much you lose, how much you pay, baba. One I want the international, baba. That's the one for the baba.
To assemble this wooden wall shelf, I screwed together 4 pieces with roboted edges to make the wall attachment frame. Rabbets on the edges of supporting pieces were inserted and screwed into grooves in the vertical sides of the wall attachment frame. Load carrying pieces were screwed onto the supporting pieces from side to side. The top, bottom, and sides of the wall attachment frame were screwed to a wall. To test the shelf, 2 heavy books and 2 boxes were placed on it. A weight test of about 10 kilograms was also done. Using 2 5-liter kegs filled with water. This was how the shelf was screwed to its component parts, with no piece over 1.5 feet long to enable portability. The focus of this, just like other projects on this channel, is functionality, not necessarily aesthetics.
Thanks for watching, and you should always remember that it's not for the results.